Hello Pop-Uppers, this is Chacha. Welcome to the Pop-Up Gallery. For today's video, I'm gonna show you a model of pop-up mountains. Pop-up mountain is easy. You just have to use the very simple V-fold pop-up mechanism. So come on, let's do it together. This is our first mountain. Fold it half to create a center crease. Then, fold the bottom part to create tabs. Make triangular cuts on all edges. You can paste the mountain like this, where the tabs are in front. But I'm not gonna do that. Mark the end to end of the tabs. Once you have drawn the lines already, cut them like this, because we're going to insert the tabs to hide them under the spread. So, it should look like this. However, this method has a little problem. Because of the two cuts on both sides, the very center of the spread might get torn. So, to avoid that problem, let's go to the second method. Here, we're going to hide one tab only under the spread, and the other one will be hidden behind. So as you can see, the right tab is behind the mountain, while the left tab is under the spread. Let's go to the third mountain, where we're going to hide both tabs behind. This is the easiest one. Now, I'm going to show you how to avoid mistakes when placing these tabs. Paste one tab first, either left or right. Make sure that the center fold of the mountain is aligned with the center fold of the spread. After pasting one tab, fold the mountain, then put glue on the other one. After that, fold the spread over it. In this way, the tab will be pasted automatically in the right position of the spread. If you do it this way, you'll never make mistake. Your mountain will surely pop up very well. Thank you so much, Pop-Uppers. I hope you like it. See you next time. Bye!